Thanks, Peggy. Hi, everyone. Happy to be here. Today, I will present our plan to accelerate our growth and capture significant value in the evolving and dynamic markets. Industrial product is a market leader. We lead in many aspects: capacities, unique resources. We are diverse in markets, product, customers. We are innovative, and I will show you a wide innovative activity that we are doing. And we also have the growth fundamentals, and we are in the right markets to grow. And as you can see, we are growing in the last few years. Our next target will be for 2027 will be to add 60% of our EBITDA. And our business is bromine, but not only bromine, we have also other minerals, as you can see from the graph. In the last Investor Day in 2020, we target for 2025 of $500 million of EBITDA. As you can see from the numbers, I'm happy to say that 2021, we already achieved these figures, and this is due to our accelerated execution. We executed tremendously good in the long-term agreement with many of our customers. Capacity expansion were done according to plan, and we used our special position in Asia, first of all, to contact our key markets and key customers, and also to leverage the depletion and the environmental restriction that happened in China. So we need to set now a new target. So the new target is, as I mentioned, adding 60% of EBITDA to $800 million in 2027. And for that, we will leverage our unique and sustainable resources. We'll leverage our market leader position with our portfolio, and we will use a lot of innovative and innovation activity. Okay, when I'm saying unique resources, we have several. One of the largest one is the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea, as we call the lowest place on Earth, also has the highest bromine concentration. It allows us to be with the best cost advantage, also the best carbon footprint, and this is a major issue, as you all know. And when I'm saying the best carbon footprint, it's because the Dead Sea, for us, we call it the largest solar plant in the world because of all the evaporation and the special climate over there. Another major resource that we have the Notrevov site. This is a bromine derivative plant that we use in the south of Israel. This is the largest plant in its kind with multiple products, many synergies between the product using side stream and economic of scale. And this is also a major advantage for our division. So I'm also proud to say we are number one, as you can see here clearly. We are number one in capabilities. We have the largest bromine capacity with excess capacity, number one excess capacity in the market also, that will allow us to meet all growing needs in the future. We are number one in isotank fleet. It allows us to be the most flexible company in bromine terms, also for our customers and also for the plants that we have out of Israel. We are also number one in several markets. I can start by saying in the flame retardant market that this is a huge market, $2.5 billion market, and we are 1/3 of this market. And we are also number one in other markets, functional fluids, brominated biocide, magnesia for supplements, and many more. Our company serving diversified several markets. These markets are growing, as you can see from here, from the picture, and in different paces. And also, they are, I would say, with limited correlation. So it gives us a lot of strength. We are also diversified by the product portfolio that we hold. We have several products for each market. And in general, I can say we have over 1,000 customers worldwide. Our customers relying on us. The customers of our division looking forward for the future. They also look and see the growth opportunities from their side, and they are choosing us as their preferred supplier. So we want to sign more long-term agreement, and as you can see, we succeeded moving to 2021, and we reached 70% in ratio of long-term agreement, and we are looking forward for that for the future to make it also in the same ratio also for 2027 with much higher sales, but also with the same ratio that we think it's optimal for a division in our size. As I mentioned, we will maintain it for 2027, and the customer and us will grow together, and this is the main focus from our eyes. Okay, innovation. Really excited to say, first of all, electronic vehicle trend hold huge benefits for ICL and for our division. Electric vehicle, as you know, requires much more electronic components, more cables, batteries, and all the stuff inside, electrolytes, cathode material, and so on. And this holds huge opportunities for our division. Now, looking on the trend is we reach 40 to 50% of new car sales in 2030 something every year. So this will really a game changer for us. Also will hold many of our flame retardants will be sold to this application. And as we can see, the electric vehicle is not something that start and maybe will move forward. We are sure that it will hold, and it seems like the train has left the station already. Also from countries and regions are having all kind of an announcement. European Union announced 2035, zero emission from cars. US in 2030, 50% of cars should be electric vehicles. New York just recently announced 2035, EV sales will be also looking for zero emission. This is a short map of our innovative activity. Happily to say that we will have many new solutions and new products. We'll have many new sales in new applications. We'll sell in energy storage solution. We'll sell in recycling and urban mining. We'll use our magnesia, not only bromine. We use our magnesia also for new application and also other ideas that we already and all the time are generating. I will give you a few examples of our innovative activity. First example is electrolytes. As you know, as I just mentioned, in the future we'll need more electric vehicles that will need more batteries. Inside those batteries, we'll have the electrolyte, at the moment, liquid electrolyte. In the liquid electrolyte, we see huge opportunity for our division. It holds also US and also Europe trying to build local capabilities for the gigafactories for the batteries and also for all the parts involved. And we hold few raw materials to this application, and we already have local presence in Europe and US with these capacities, with excess capacities. So it means we have a huge opportunity over here. And also we are supporting our solid state batteries with some of the technology are also bromine based. So this is also something we are supporting, and hopefully this will be also the answer for the longer term. Next example, something totally different. We have a new product, FruitMag, we call it magnesia based. This is a food grade product. This product will replace toxic material in the post-harvest for citrus fruit in the first stage. Maybe on the later stage, we'll check it also for other fruits. And this holds a very nice opportunity in the magnesia side for us, for our business. And the potential should be over $100 million, and the product is patented. So in the future, when you will make some cake or jam from citrus fruit, I'm sure you will be more safe from health point of view because of our product. Next example. One of humanity's major concern is textile recycling. We like to shop for clothes, but you have to know that every year, more than 90 million of textile waste is being generated across the world. And most of it is polyester and cotton blends that actually there is no real recycling process, no real solution. We have a patented solution, and looking on the numbers, when we will be in this market and when we'll help also regulation to step in, the potential is really, really high. Another example, electronic waste. Technology, you all know, is all around us, but unfortunately, electronic waste is also all around us. More than 50 million tons of electronic waste is being generated every year. It will grow to 70 million in 2030. And we are developing all kinds of technologies to recycle several parts of the electronic waste. And this is another high potential for our division. Looking forward for that. Okay, so saying all that, let's look on the numbers a little bit. So as we mentioned, we want to grow our business. And first of all, let's look on the sales. Sales, we want to go from $1.6 to $2.4 billion in 2027. And from EBITDA point of view, we want to grow from $500 million to $800 million. The main contribution for that will come from electronic, building and construction, and also for new application like energy storage solution and all kinds of other new applications that I mentioned also earlier. To summarize everything that I just mentioned. So we delivered what we promised compared to what we said in 2020, sooner than expected. We have significant opportunities in EVs, in electronics, telecommunication, and other growing sustainable challenges. We have the available resource to take advantage of these opportunities to grow our business even further. And innovation and new application will drive the long-term growth. So that's it for my part. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. We are looking forward to further grow our business and also to make our world a better place to live. Thank you.